Imagine this, you're looking for an Android smartwatch and there are two in the market now that catch your eyes. The OPPO Watch X and also the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. And you don't know which one to pick. Well, in this video, I'm going to help you with that. Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. Now on my left is the OPPO Watch X and on my right is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, okay? Both are actually amazing smartwatches. Now to look deep into them, let's start with design. In case you didn't know, this is actually OPPO's first round watch with sapphire crystal. Other than it being tough and scratch resistant as it went through military standard tests, it also has an anti-fingerprint coating. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic also has similar design and materials, stainless steel, rubber strap and has a rotating bezel. Screen size, both are actually very similar size as well. Now since material and design are very similar, let's look into features. The OPPO Watch X has dual frequency GPS. It supports all the different sat-nav systems and operates on both L1 and L5 frequencies, which is the only smartwatch equipped with this capability at this price range. This means the watch is able to acquire satellite navigation very quickly and is anti-interference with extended signal range. With this, it excels in areas with obstacles like trees, tall buildings, and with up to 18 hours of battery life in dual frequency mode, you'll have no worries if you're exploring some secluded areas in your trips. For Samsung, it is only using a single frequency GPS. Hence, it is less accurate and harder to acquire GPS signals in difficult situations. If you are someone who is always out and about, for example hiking or trekking, the OPPO Watch X is the option for you. But of course, most of us get these kind of smartwatches to track our sports and activities, right? I would say the OPPO Watch X has something that all Malaysians need: Badminton Mode. So when you are playing badmintons with friends, you can track data like precision, swing actions, speed, and consecutive shots. It is also currently the only watch in the market that provides dedicated pro-grade analysis. The moment you hold a badminton racket, the watch can track shot distribution, swing speed, and heart rate interval. Amazing! Of course, we don't get this on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Besides, the OPPO Watch X also has AI to auto-detect workouts like walking, running, cycling, swimming, and more. Now, even if you don't do sports, okay, smartwatches are also great to monitor heart rates. The OPPO Watch X has an 8-channel heart rate sensor and PPG heart rate module to capture more valid signals. And the new strap with arc design also helps with the fit to reduce external light interference. Now, if you love running, whether it's indoor or outdoor, the OPPO Watch X can also track and provide insights like workout effectiveness, recovery time, and max VO2. There are also other indicators like ground contact time, vertical oscillation, pace, running power, and more. Now, so how's the battery life? The OPPO Watch X has Super VOOC flash charging. In 10 minutes, we get 24 hours of usage and 60 minutes charge gives us a full battery. With Smart Mode, the watch can last up to 100 hours and with Power Saving Mode, 12 days. So all in all, I actually prefer the OPPO Watch X compared to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, okay? Because I like the dual frequency GPS, Badminton Mode, and also longer battery life. But to be honest, both watches are very close in specs and features, so no matter which one you pick, I'm sure you'll enjoy your time using them. The OPPO Watch X is now on first sale promo, which you can grab at just 1299 ringgit. You can also get an additional watch strap for only RM1. Don't miss out on this offer, okay? Until 31st March only. So if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget, okay, to subscribe to this channel. Click on subscribe below this video, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next one. Yo!